Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply video styles and photo styles on CapCut mobile. So select the video or the photo and select the style button. Now for videos, you can only apply the video effects which are at the end, which is at the end of the effects, but there's more that you can choose from, but most of them are for photos. So I'm just going to show you guys the video ones, like the auto velocity one. You can also adjust this, by the way. It's going to generate it for you guys first, so it's gonna take a few minutes. It depends on your video as well, by the way. So just gonna wait, and here you can adjust the interval between the two beats, but I'm just going to leave it as is. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!